Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be announcing my 5 months maximum hair growth challenge. Yes, this is going to be an amazing challenge which is going to run on my channel for 5 months from the 5th of August to the 31st of December. This is going to be a hair reviving challenge. You should definitely participate in this challenge if you're struggling with breakage, dandruff, itchy scalp, head lice maybe, or if you're struggling to grow your hair out, or you're just looking for a way to grow your hair faster, or maybe you're losing your edges or trying to get your hair thicker, or maybe you're just new to natural hair and you're looking for the best way to grow healthy long natural hair, then this is definitely the journey for you. Now this is my hair growth routine every year. I usually do it at the end of the year. My hair is exactly 2 years and like 7 months right now. It's going to be 3 years in December. So usually what I do is I start some very healthy hair care regimen close to the end of the year, just trying to revive my hair from all the damage it might have gone through during the course of the year. So this time around I decided not to do it alone, but to share my journey with you also. If you have any basic hair issue, or if you don't have any hair issue at all, you can use this 5 months maximum hair growth journey as an opportunity for you to grow some extra inches and make your hair healthier, thicker by December. So I'm actually very excited about this journey because I'm really going to be doing something different this time. We are going to be keeping away everything synthetic, and we're going to be going in for the next 5 months only with natural products. So from shampooing to styling, we are going to use only natural products. So it's definitely a challenge you want to join. It's a challenge that has helped me grow out my hair longer up to the length where it is at now. So my hair is like in chunky twists, but I'm just going to take out this piece just to show you guys where my hair is at right now. So this is where my hair is right now, and I would like it to be just a little longer by December. Obviously everybody likes length, so if you would like to join me on this journey, all you need to do, just like I did with this picture that you see right here, you take a picture of your current hair and you tag me on Facebook or on Instagram, so we can use that to track your progress during this journey. Also, you need to keep your hair in a very simple protective style like this one, so you can access your scalp and access your hair as well, because during this period I'm going to be doing a lot of scalp treatments and hair treatments just to try and boost hair growth, and also try to regrow our edges, thicken our hair, and just gain some extra inches before December. And also when people are looking for ways to grow their hair faster, thicker, longer, healthier, and all those good stuff, so if that's the case for you, then you want to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can join me and follow me throughout these 5 months maximum hair growth journey. So I'm just going to be listing the products that we're going to be using during this journey. I actually already started buying some, and I'm probably going to get the rest tomorrow or so because I ordered it. So after looking at these products, if you don't know where to get any of them, then don't worry, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box as to where I bought my own ingredients, so you can get yours from there if you don't know where to get it. That way you'll be able to follow just every tip I'm going to be sharing on this channel from now till December. So I know some people might not like the fact that we're using only natural products, but I chose to use natural products because they have been working very well for me and my clients. They are less expensive than synthetic products, so everybody can lay hands on them and definitely try this journey. Please share the video with your friends and family and everybody just struggling to grow their hair out, because this is going to be a really amazing journey. I like to have so many people on board so we can go on this journey together, share our experiences, and the most important thing is grow our hair together. At the end of this hair growth challenge, that is in December, I'm going to be giving a massive giveaway to 10 people who are going to follow all the steps and all the instructions I'm going to be giving during this challenge. So you want to make sure you're part of those people, because I'm going to be giving you a complete hair care kit to 10 participants. So make sure you are one of them. All you need to do is wherever I share a hair treatment or a hair mask, you do it and you tag me on Instagram or on Facebook. I'm simply going to select the first 10 people who have been consistent at doing that from the beginning of this journey till the end. That being said, I'm just going to start listing the products you can get in preparation for the journey. I've actually written the ingredients on my notes, so I'm just going to be reading it out. So I'm just going to be listing the ingredients, right? The first ingredient I'm going to be needing is black castor oil. As you may or may not know, that is my favorite oil for maximum hair growth. I've been using it ever since I went natural 2 years ago, and it has been helping me grow my hair out, retain my length, prevent breakage, minimize my split ends, moisturize my scalp, keep moisture in, seal in my moisture, all those good stuff. So if you have used black castor oil before, then you have something to say about it, just let me know down in the comment section. But if you have not, and this is your first time hearing about it, I tell you, it is an amazing hair oil, and I'm going to be showing you guys during this maximum hair growth journey how to reap all the benefits of castor oil. The second ingredient you're going to be needing is olive oil or any other lightweight oil of your choice. It can be avocado oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, whatever oil you choose, but I'm going to be using olive oil to follow my journey to the T and have all the benefits which I guarantee you will have by December. You need to have black castor oil with some other oil, so you would choose, but me, I'm going to be taking black castor oil and olive oil. The next oils are essential oils, so we're going to be needing 4 types of essential oils. The first essential oil you're going to be needing is lavender essential oil. As you already know, lavender is very good in promoting and boosting hair growth. It actually helps your hair grow faster than normal. So given that we're going on a 5 months maximum hair growth journey, it's but normal that we look for all those ingredients that boost maximum hair growth, which is what we are looking for. So you definitely want to get lavender essential oil. So if you don't know where to get lavender essential oil, as well as all the things I'm going to be listing, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box so you can check that out. The next very important essential oil which we're going to be needing is peppermint essential oil. Now peppermint essential oil is a very powerful essential oil as it stimulates blood flow to the scalp. It nourishes hair follicles to reduce hair loss, to promote hair growth, and most importantly nourish our hair follicles and ensure that we have thicker and fuller hair. The next very important essential oil that we're going to be adding to our regimen is tea tree essential oil. Now tea tree essential oil is filled with good things. It's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, antimicrobial. So you really want to add tea tree oil to your hair and skincare regimen because it helps with so many skin issues, but we're not going to be talking about skin. We're just going to be talking about its benefits for the hair. Tea tree oil in association with peppermint, like we're going to be using during this journey, can help combat dandruff, itchy scalp, flaky scalp, as well as prevent the growth of bacteria on your scalp. The fourth essential oil which we're going to be needing is rosemary essential oil, which is very important for reviving hair follicles. Rosemary is actually going to help with those struggling to regrow their hairline. So if your reason for joining this maximum hair growth journey is to regrow your hairline, then you definitely want to get rosemary alongside the other essential oils which I've mentioned. The other ingredients we're going to be needing is fenugreek seeds. As you all know, fenugreek seeds are moisturizing. They help nourish the scalp. They also help prevent hair loss and excessive shedding. The next is black seed. We're going to be using black seeds to make various home remedies, which you're going to be seeing in the next video on this series. But basically, black seeds, when used consistently in our hair regimen, is going to prevent premature graying. It's going to help thicken the hair, and most importantly, help with regrowing edges. So you want to make sure that you get black seeds as well. The next ingredient we're going to be needing is clove. We're going to be needing that in our hair regimen as well because it has so many hair growth boosting properties, as well as helps prevent shedding. All of these are very important, and you're going to be seeing how I'm really going to get all of these ingredients together to form a very simple, straightforward routine that we're going to be following for the next 5 months. The next thing you're going to be needing is black soap. So given that we're not going to be using any synthetic products for the next 5 months, we're going to be using black soap as our cleanser. I'm going to be showing you guys how we're going to use it to create our DIY maximum hair growth shampoo. So the black soap I got is the Ghanaian black soap, and this is what it looks like. So it came wrapped up in a circle. I've cut it already. So this is the black soap. This was delivered to me yesterday. I also bought it Instagram. I'm going to leave the link down below like I've been singing since. Black soap is good for all skin types. It's moisturizing. It's a very good cleanser and can easily replace synthetic cleansers. So we're going to be using black soap for the next 5 months, and not to worry, I'm going to show you guys how we are going to make our black soap maximum hair growth shampoo. So the next ingredient on the list is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very good for hair growth as it balances the pH of the scalp and it prevents bacteria and fungal growth on the scalp, hence leaving you with a healthy scalp. And you all know healthy scalp equals healthy hair growth, which is our goal, to revive our hair. Not only gain extra inches and length by December, but also gain healthy, long, thicker, fuller hair. So for that, we're going to be needing products that boost our hair as well as products that leave our scalp healthy to permit us to grow healthy, long, natural hair. So that being said, the next thing we're going to be needing is vegetable glycerine. We're going to be using it as our moisturizer, and you're going to be seeing the various ways we're going to be using throughout the next 5 months. After that, you might like this hair growth regimen and might decide to stick with it, or you might just want to join me on the next challenge, which I'm going to be taking from January. So yeah. The next ingredient we're going to be needing is rice. During this 5 months maximum hair growth journey, we're going to be using rice water every now and then. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to be using rice water in order to reap the benefits of using it. So we're going to use rice water the right way, so we only get the benefits and zero side effects. So there are other very simple home remedies which we are going to be trying throughout this challenge. They're going to be things that you can get around. That being said, we've come to the end of this video. Please make sure to invite everyone on board so they can participate in this 5 months maximum hair growth journey and also get to benefit from the results from growing thicker, longer, fuller, natural hair. So see you in the next video where I show you how to transform these ingredients into products that we are going to be using for the next 5 months.